Red Magic is introducing new smartphone, the Red Magic 10s Pro. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest video. Thanks. Red Magic 10s Pro series will sports a tall display and a 144 Hz refresh rate and under display selfie camera. And to give more power this phone, there will be octa-core CPU. Smartphone paired with a 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage. Battery will be massive one and that will be 7500 mAh with support the 120 watt fast charging. Smartphone will run on Android 15 operating system with a composite liquid metal 2.0 thermal management system. There is even a physical lens that helps improve heat dissipation. That's all for now and thanks for watching.